Shazan, I'm really hungry. My stomach really hurt. I haven't eaten since morning. Same bro. I also skipped breakfast this morning because I was rushing. Now my stomach is making loud sounds. We seriously need to eat something fast. If not, I'm not going to focus on anything else. Yeah, I agree. What would you like to eat? Rice? Noodle or something simple? I do not want to eat anything heavy. I want something simple and quick. Something like fast food. True, fast food is simple and quick. We do not need to wait too long. That sounds good. What about McDonald's? It's nearby and we always go there when we are hungry. Good idea. I think we go buy burgers or maybe fries. Same. I want something spicy also. Maybe a spicy chicken burger. Okay, let's go there now before it gets too crowded. Alright, let's go. I hope the service is good and the food comes first.
Hello, welcome and good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, good afternoon. I would like some spicy chicken burger set, and I would like some fries and coke with it. For me, I want double cheeseburger set and also a cup of tea.
Alright, thank you. Let me repeat your order to make sure everything is correct.
Yes, please repeat. We want to make sure there is nothing problem with it.
One spicy chicken burger set with fries and coke, and one double cheeseburger set with iced tea.
Yes, that is correct. Please make sure it's the right one. Yes, we are very hungry, so we really want the correct food.
Bro, are you sure you wrote it correctly? Something is missing though.
I think it's correct. Don't worry too much. We will prepare it fast.
Okay, but we should double check next time, right?
The total 25 ringgit. You can make the payment now.
Here is the money. Please check. Alright, thank you. We will wait over there.
Thank you very much. Your food will be ready soon.
Bro, I think something is wrong with the order. You wrote chicken burger and cheeseburger only.
Really? I thought that's what they said earlier.
No, I heard them say spicy chicken and double cheeseburger though.
Maybe I did hear properly. It was quick noise just now.
Should we go and confirm again with them?
No need. They already paid. Let's just prepare quickly.
Alright, but I don't feel very confident about this though.
It's okay. Just prepare the drink and fries first.
Hello, it's your order. Please set your food. Okay, thank you. If you okay from here. Thanks, I'm really hungry now. Enjoy your meal and let us know if you need anything else. Wait, this burger doesn't look spicy at all. Yeah, and mine is not double. It's just normal cheeseburger. This is not what I ordered. I clearly say spicy chicken. Same, I just said double cheeseburger, not single. This is disappointing. We pay for something else. Yes, we are very hungry. This is wasting our time. Let's go talk to them now before the food gets cold. Excuse me, can we talk to you for a second?
Yes. What is problem?
It's not our order, the burgers are wrong.
Can you explain what is wrong?
I ordered spicy chicken burger, but this is normal chicken. And I asked double cheeseburger, but this is only one layer.
Let me check the receipt again.
The receipt show chicken burger and cheeseburger only.
It's not what we said earlier. Yes, we were clear when we ordered.
I told you earlier, we make a mistake.
I'm really sorry. I think I made a mistake.
Understand, mistake happened, but this is not fair for us. Yes, we paid a full price. We would like to speak to your manager.
Please wait. I called the manager. Sir, we have complaint from customer.
Yeah.
What happened here?
They received the wrong food.
I think I wrote the order wrongly.
Did you confirm the order clearly with them?
I did, but maybe I didn't listen carefully.
I also noticed something was wrong early.
This should not happen. Customer must get what they ordered.
Yes, sir. I understand.
They are not happy and they want to talk to you, sir.
Alright, I will speak to them now. Hello, I am the manager here. I heard there is a problem with your order.
Yes, we received the wrong food. We ordered something else, but we get different burgers.
I sincerely apologize for this mistake. This is our fault.
We just want what we ordered. Yes, and we don't want to wait too long again.
I understand. I will fix this immediately.
Thank you, we appreciate it.
I will prepare your correct order and also give you a full refund.
That is fair. Thank you for taking responsibility.
Arif and Ismail, please apologize to the customer.
I'm very sorry for my mistake. I will be more careful next time.
I'm sorry too. I should have double checked early.
It's okay, but please improve your service. Yes, this should not happen again.
Thank you for your patience. Your new order will be ready soon.
Thank you for solving the problem quickly. Yes, we appreciate the good service from the manager.
You are welcome. We hope you enjoy your meal after this.
Thank you for understanding.
We will do better next time.
Thank you for the service.
Bye.
Hey guy, you know I am really starving right now. Since our last class, my stomach has been making noises that make me losing focus when our sir teaching us. Maybe we should get some food to eat.
Same here. I feel so weak right now. During the class, I just think about food more than what teacher said. I think I didn't understand what teacher present recently.
Yeah, me too. I even check clock for 5 times, you know. Suddenly, when you're hungry, time feel longer than what you think. Maybe we should get some heavy food.
You are right, man. I don't want to eat sandwich again. Yesterday, I had one, but I still hungry. I need more satisfying today.
Okay, so what are we going to eat? You know, we don't have a lot of time because our class is around 2 hours. So, do you have any suggestion? What should we eat?
What about ayam penyet? It's so delicious and more satisfying.
Oh yeah, Janto restaurant. Yeah. I know about that place. If I'm not wrong, the restaurant is small, but the food is tasty. Maybe we should go to there.
Same. I have for my friend. He say the ayam penyet it's so beautiful and very tasty. Do you want to try?
You know what, Kai? Yeah, that sounds perfect. I don't like too much spicy, but I think I can try it.
Good idea. Trying new food is always fun. But we must hurry before lunch hour.
Yeah, you are right. Last time we went to the restaurant too late. Maybe we should go earlier this time, so we don't miss like last time.
Alright, let's go. I already imagine the nasi ayam penyet from here.
Same here. Anyway, let's go. And don't worry about using your money. Today is my treat.
Really? Thanks, man. That's make the food more tasty.
Hello sir, welcome to Jantan Restaurant. You both would look very hungry. What can I get for you today?
Yes. Can I have one ayam penyet with one plain water? How about you, Kai?
Yeah. Same like him, yeah?
Alright. May I repeat your order back? 2 ayam penyet and 2 plain water, right?
Yes,
Anything
yes.
else you want to order?
No. How about you?
No, just like that.
Okay. Please wait a minute. Wait a second, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Hello, your order is arrived.
Thank you.
Wait. I don't think this is what we ordered. Because from what I remember, we ordered 2 ayam penyet, right?
Yes.
Oh, wait. This is table 06.
No, we actually are table 07.
Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, I call the manager, right?
Alright.
Hey,
Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Taufik,
Yes.
you give me a wrong table paper, okay?
Wrong table paper.
Yes.
This is right.
No, the table is 07.
07. I think 07 is order this.
No, this is 06.
06 table.
You know, I'm so close to get a point from customer, okay?
Oh, I'm very sorry to you.
Aish.
I check the order, okay? Please wait. Sir, I'm very sorry for your late order. My customer very crowded, you know. Many customer. Can I take your order back?
We ordered 2 ayam penyet with 2 plain water.
Yes.
why is so gradual, huh?
This is
Sorry, sir.
This is just easy order, you know?
Yes, I know, but I'm very sorry for my miss.
No. Go.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you,
Please
sir.
make it faster.
I can. People, table 7 order.
Yes,
I'm coming.
Go, please.
This the right order, you know.
Sure?
I swear, I double confirm to all our customer.
You wrong again? You ready?
Don't worry.
Hello, I'm sorry late. This is all your order. Water and nasi ayam penyet.
Alright, thank you.
Yes, alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Waiter,
Yes, I'm coming.
can I have the bill?
Okay. You eat 2 ayam penyet and 2 drink, right?
Yes.
Okay. Total is 21 ringgit.
Can I pay QR?
QR.
Yes.
Taufik. Yes. QR.
QR, yes?
Okay. Thank you very much and sorry for the mistake. Okay.
Very mistake ah.
Sorry sir. It's okay. I hope you come again. Thank you for your service.
Same here. Weh, serius ni weh.
Hello sir, welcome to Jantan Restaurant. What can I get? What can I get?
No, aku tak dapat.
Hello. Girl. Oh, sorry, I'm late. This is your order. Ayam.
I just had to let you know you're.
I am really hungry right now. I didn't even eat anything this morning, and now I don't have energy, so I want eating.
Same here, man. My stomach feel so empty and uncomfortable. I only drink water just today's morning.
I skipping breakfast now. I didn't even eat right now.
Yeah, same here, man. This morning I too rushing to come out, and I'm already skipping breakfast today. That's the reason why I skip breakfast today.
Now we got to have to deal with the consequence.
Yes, exactly. That's why we need to find food hurry before we get even more tired.
What kind of food you mood for right now?
I definitely want some food like snack. Example like ice cream or snack.
Same here. I don't have food. I don't have food for 2 hours long here. So I want order and food coming, not petition gift.
Yes, I agree. Waiting food too long when we are hungry is really annoying.
How about ice cream? I think ice cream is suitable for us.
True, but I think at this time, ice cream shop is very crowded and slow.
Good point. We might have to wait long time.
What about noodles? My suggestion, I think we can just eat noodles because they are usually faster than we eat noodles. Then we eat rice.
I don't feel like noodles today. I want something different.
I think we just eat ice cream because today is so hot and I feel so thirsty today.
I agree with
you because ice cream relax my thirsty throat.
Oh, you were making me hungry than before.
Sorry about that. Hey Aziz, how about eat ice cream over there?
That is a really good idea. I think the shop is really peaceful to me.
Okay, let's go before the wars even getting worse.
Yeah, I can really wait any longer. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, good afternoon and welcome. What can I help you both?
Afternoon. I want to order some food for dine-in.
Yes. We are ready to eat what we want to eat.
Okay, alright. Let's go to your order.
Okay, I would like to order one Oreo ice cream.
Alright, now you want the ice cream Oreo?
Yes. Please make sure topping of the ice cream is Oreo.
Okay, that's all. Just one ice cream do you want?
No, I think that's all for us. Okay, please make sure there are no mistakes because we are really thirsty right now.
Okay, I will try my best to my work. Thank you. Okay, now your total order is RM6. Now you want pay with QR or cash?
I would like to pay with the QR code.
Okay, let I show you my QR.
Okay.
Now you pay.
Wait a moment. RM6. Okay, here you go.
Wait Okay, thank you.
Pause.
Okay, this is your ice cream.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thanks. It look very good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Wait a moment. Something look does not right with this ice cream.
What do you mean?
The color look very different. It's like I think this is not Oreo ice cream.
Yes, I think the waiter give a wrong order.
But I already told the waiter that I want Oreo ice cream.
Yes, I remember. Do you said Oreo ice cream and not this ice cream?
It's very disappointing. It's because I really thirsty right now.
That's right. We very not acceptable because we pay it.
Excuse me, waiter. Can you come here a moment?
Yes, what can I help you both?
Actually, we got something different. Our ice cream right now.
I'm sorry for hear that. Can you explain for the issue?
Order Oreo ice cream, but this ice cream doesn't look like Oreo ice cream.
Oh, sorry. I apologize for my mistake.
So we confirmed this earlier. So we want to surprise this person.
Yes, I think I remember confirming your order.
So how did this mistake can happen?
Oh, sorry. I think I accidentally mixed up your order in another table with another table.
That's as quick is a serious mistake.
Yes, especially when the customer is very hungry.
I understand for your frustration. I'm really sorry for you.
We would like to talk to the manager about this situation.
Alright, I will call my manager immediately. Sir, I need your assistance for the complaint.
Yes, Hanif. What seems to be the issue?
I make a mistake from their order. Then I give the wrong food.
I don't understand. Can you explain in more detail?
I would order Oreo ice cream, but I think I give a wrong ice cream for this table. How can I do?
Oh, did you confirm the order with them beforehand?
I did. I confirm it, but I don't know why my mistake for this table.
That is a silly mistake. That should not happen. Why you do something wrong?
Yes, I understand, but my mistake, I'm really sorry.
Are the customer upset?
I don't know, but the reaction very fast.
It's okay. I will handle the case personally. Good afternoon, sir. I am the manager here. I would like personally apologize the mistake.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, we are quite disappointed with the situation.
Yes, we did not receive our order that we ordered earlier.
I completely understand your frustration, and I take full responsibility for the issues.
We were really looking forward to eating, especially we are hungry.
Yes, and this situation make us quite upset.
I really sorry for the inconvenience about both of you.
So what solution to fix this problem?
We will immediately for your correct order, and I make sure everything is okay.
How long will it take to make the new order to be ready?
It should take the 10 minutes for your order.
Alright, that sounds reasonable.
In addition, we will provide you with a full refund and make sure no mistake anymore.
Okay, that is very fair. Thank you.
We appreciate you professional handling this issue.
Hanif, please apologize directly to the customer.
I'm very sorry for my mistake. Later I will be more careful for my job.
It's okay, but make sure this problem doesn't happen next.
Yes, customer expect accurate service.
Once again, we sincerely apologize and thank you for your patience.
Okay, thank you for resolving this issue.
Yes, we appreciate you help.
Okay, I'm sorry. Very thank you.
I just had to let you know you're.
Because I done breakfast for this morning.
Oh, same here. My stomach is already low. We need to eat something else.
Yeah, it's already for lunchtime. Do you have any suggestion for where we can lunch?
How about Ahmad fried chicken? Here, the chicken is really crispy.
Oh yeah, I have I know that place too because my friend said the fried chicken is very good.
Excellent. The price is also good for us. Good for students like us.
Okay, I let you answer. I think I want eating rice with fried chicken.
Same. I mean, I want to order burger, but after I eat, I still hungry.
Wow, you really hungry, huh?
Of course. I didn't eat since yesterday night.
Alright, let's go now before it gets too crowded.
It's cool. Welcome to Ahmad Fried Chicken. Can I help you?
Can I see the menu first?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I know what I want.
I'm ready to. Alright, what will I select?
I would like one set spicy fried chicken and white rice and a cold iced tea.
Okay, one spicy fried chicken with rice and iced tea garlic. For me, I want one original fried chicken with chicken burger, one medium fried and coke. Okay, one chicken burger, rice and cola. Okay, one spicy fried chicken with rice and iced tea garlic.
and medium fry. Enter.
Okay, rice burger, fries, and cola.
Wait, can you repeat order again?
Yes, rice spicy chicken with rice, nice chicken roll, and one chicken burger with fries and cola for you.
Alright, good.
Okay, total is 10 minutes.
Thank you. Why does this look like so different? I think this is wrong. Maybe the waiter do a mistake.
Yes, what can I ask you? What's the problem?
I supposed to pay the price, but this normal can you check again?
Sure, I'll check again. Apa saja order yang lain itu?
Yes, you already paid for this.
It's alright. I'll replace your order.
What happened?
I gave them the wrong food. They are not happy and want to talk to you.
Did you confirm the order before serving?
I think others and didn't check properly.
That is not good, Hairi. We must always check carefully.
I understand, sir. I will be sure.
Alright, I will handle the situation. Stay here.
Thousand years later.
Hello, I'm the manager here. My name is Hairi. I'm sorry for the mistake earlier.
Yes, we received the wrong food.
We already paid and quit sometime.
We received the wrong food.
We already paid and quit sometime.
I understand your frustration. This is our mistake, and I truly apologize.
Yes, I apologize. Oh yeah, I have
Excellent.
Hello, I'm the manager here. No, wait.
Alamak, aku dah tergerak.
Biar je. Biar dekat.
Oh, biar. Get out.
David, I think my motorcycle brake has a problem. When I ride in normal traffic, I need to press my brake too much. I feel it not responding. It makes me quite worried because I use my bike for school and also going out.
I understand you. My motorcycle has a problem too. But mine is on engine, more engine sound. I think some part is loose or not balanced. You hear it.
I don't want to take risk anymore. If my brake first one in traffic, it can be very dangerous, not only for us, but also for other road users. I think we should fix my brake it soon.
I agree completely. Safety should always come first. Even if we need to spend money or wait longer, it's still better than riding a bike that is not safe.
Let's go to Speed Fix workshop. I heard they are quite good, but we still need to explain clearly so they don't must understand the problem.
I think the good idea. We should all them everything, check everything in detail so then this don't surface repair. So that's all.
Good evening and welcome to Speed Fix Motorcycle Workshop. Please take your time to explain the problems clearly so we can make sure the correct repair is done. Thank you.
Good evening. My motorcycle has a brake issue. Then brake feel weak and sometimes it does not responding quickly when I press it, especially during emergency stop. I want full inspection, not just adjustment, and because I suspect something deeper is wrong.
For my motorcycle, I think my engine have a engine noise problem. The sound become rough, especially when I accelerate. It feel like vibration and loose part inside engine. I want full engine inspection and not just pulse tuning.
Alright, I understand both problem clearly. We will do full inspection including brake system, engine system, oil level, change condition and safety check. It will normally take 1 day, but if we find more issue, we will inform you first. Okay, thank you.
That's fine, but please also inform us if there are extra change before you replace any parts.
Yes, we will always inform customer first before doing any extra work.
Okay, we try your workshop. Please handle it carefully because safety is important for us.
Both motorcycle are ready for collection. We have complete our request repair and done test checks.
Alright, I will test mine slowly first before I confirm everything is okay.
Same here. I want to mind carefully because engine problem usually appear when riding out and not when stationary.
Yes, we already test both bike and everything seems normal. You can try riding and check yourself.
At first it feels okay, but I will test brake slowly to confirm safety.
Mine also feel normal when starting. I hope it stay like this when riding on road.
Traffic, I think something is wrong.
What happened?
My brake still feel weak when I press. I don't feel fully safe like before.
Mine also has engine noise when I accelerate. It feels like the main problem was not fully solved.
Honestly, I feel disappointed because we are ready wait for one full one day. Same here. I expect proper full repair, not a partial improvement. Okay. Let's go back and talk to Anik. Maybe there is misunderstanding. Yes, we should explain properly without being angry. Yeah. Excuse me, Anik. We need to talk about our motorcycle again. Yeah. My engine noise is still there after service. It improves a little but not a fully fix. And my brakes still feel weak. I test it carefully and still don't feel safe for daily. Understand mistake happen, but this is safety related issue. Yes, we need proper full solution. Alright, Anik, explain me clearly.
This is serious, Anik, because it involves safety customer. We cannot allow unsafe vehicle to leave workshop. We will fix immediately and properly. No shortcut this time. Okay, Anik? Good afternoon. I'm Johan, the manager of the workshop. First of all, I sincerely apologize for the invoice because by our workshop.
We just want our motorcycle to be safe because we use them daily. Yes, we depend on them for transport, so safety is our main concern.
I fully understand that. Because of this situation, I will personally supervise the re-inspection of both motorcycle. We will check every part again from the scratch to make sure nothing is missed. So there will be no extra charge at all. The reservice is complete free as compensation for invoicement.
Okay, that's fair.
Yes, we appreciate that response. Okay, we value customer safety and satisfaction about every aspect.
I hope this time everything is properly fixed because I don't want to come back again for the same issue.
Yeah, same here. It is quite tiring when problems are not solved properly from the beginning.
Yeah. Maybe we should also learn basic motorcycle maintenance in the future so we can detect small priorities and problem early.
Yes, like changing brake fluid, tire pressure and chain oil. That work out a lot.
Yeah. Let me test. Yes, now brake feels strong and responsive.
Mine also feels smooth now. Engine sound is gone complete.
Now it feels safe again.
Yes, finally it's properly fixed. So we are truly sorry for the inconvenience earlier and we appreciate your patience.
It's okay. At least now everything is properly fixed.
Yes, thank you for taking responsibility seriously. Customer service is about responsibility, communication and teamwork.
We will still come here again in the future.
Yes, but please be more careful next time. Thank you for your understanding and your patience. Okay, Anik, I know this is late to before you want to talk with customer, I need you to explain the full situation carefully from beginner until now, because I want to understand exactly where the mistake happened. I want to know why the customer complain until now.
because the customer motorcycle safety are very serious matters, especially when it involves brake and engine condition. I understand that workshop can become busy, especially during weekend and after working day, after working hour. But safety related repair cannot be rushed. When customer trust us with the motorcycle, they expect us to repair carefully and professional. Exactly. In customer service, one small mistake can affect customer trust. If the brake problem become serious on the road, it can endanger the customer life. That is why inspection and testimony are extremely important on that workshop. Okay. Good. Mistake can happen, but what is important is how we solve the problem and how we communicate with customer professionally. Let's go speak with them calm and respectful. Yeah.
Hey Mugat, I'm really hungry right now. I didn't eat anything since this morning. Not even biscuit or bread. How about you?
Same here, bro. I also skipped my breakfast time because I wake too late today. So right now my stomach is making noise and I feel a bit so weak already.
I can hear your stomach. If we don't eat right now, we're gonna die soon.
That's true. We need proper food, not just a snack. Something feel like rice or burgers.
I don't want to eat rice today. I want something fast and delicious.
Oh, good idea. The fast food is good meal and we don't need to wait too long. Plus, it usually tastes good.
That's good. Any place in your mind?
I recommend about the speed bikes. I heard many people say their food is tasteless and the price very okay.
Oh, I know that shop. Before I came here, I see that shop is opening.
Yes, and it place just a few from here.
The restaurant also look clean and modern. Okay, let's go there.
Sam, let's go.
You want chicken burger? One beef. Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Welcome to Speedy Bike. Good night. How can I help you?
We very hungry right now. We want to order some food.
Sure, no problem. You can search our menu at the Speedy Bike website.
The website.
Okay. I think I already know about my order. Can you give me one chicken burger with combo?
Alright, one chicken burger with combo.
Yes.
It comes with drink. What drink do you want?
Can you give me one cola?
Okay, one cola. I will make now.
For me, I want double beef burger with cola too.
One burger with cola. Okay. Anything else?
You want anything else? No.
Can you give me extra fries and nuggets?
Of course. One extra fries
And nuggets.
and anything more?
I think that's enough for us.
Let me repeat your order for confirmation. The order is correctly. One chicken burger combo with cola, one double beef burger with cola,
Yes, that's correct.
and also one extra fries and nugget. Is it correct?
Yes, that's right.
Everything sounds right. Okay, alright. The total is RM 25.
Do you have QR code?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Please take your seat first.
Alright. Thank you.
I will bring your food.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. How your exam yesterday?
Excuse me, sir. This is your order.
Oh,
Please check if everything else.
yes, everything here. Coca-Cola, rice and burger. How about you guys?
I think already I get. Thank you for your service.
Okay, thank you. Take leave first. If you feel free, call me, okay? I'm right there.
Okay, I'm going to start to this right now. Wait a second. This doesn't look like double beef burger. How about you?
Yes, me too. This look like a fish, not a chicken.
Let me see properly. Yeah, I think it is fish, not a beef. Yeah, you're right. This really look like fish, bro.
Same here. We got the wrong food. This is a big mistake.
Actually, wait is going well because I was traveling to eat beef burger.
Me too. I was looking forward to eating chicken burger.
Let's inform this to the waiter.
Thank you for coming. Come again next time.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
We want to talk about our order. There seems to be a problem.
Oh, what is the problem, sir?
We ordered chicken and double beef burger, right?
Yes.
But we received fish burger. How can?
Oh no, really?
Yes.
I'm sorry to hear about that. I'm very sorry about that.
We sure we was checked that burger was carefully.
I know mistake can happen, but we will like to talk with your manager.
I understand. This is my mistake. I apologize. Okay, sir, wait lah. I will call my manager. Cut. Adam. Adam. I need your help with something important.
What happened, Mukri? You look so worried.
I made a mistake with customer order. I gave them the wrong burger.
Can you explain clearly what went wrong?
A chicken burger and beef burger. But I gave them fish burger by accident.
Did you confirm the order before sending it?
Yes, I already confirmed the order, but I think I mixed up the order at the counter.
I see. It's not small mistake. Customer can be unhappy.
Yes, they are not satisfied. They want to talk to you, Adam.
Alright, I will handle this situation. But you must be careful, okay?
Yes, I will understand. I will learn from my mistake.
Where's the manager? I'm really hungry right now.
Me too. Where's the managers?
Managers,
Hello. Hi, madam. The manager here. Are you... There was a problem with your order.
Yes, that's right. We received the wrong food.
We ordered chicken and beef burger, but we got the fish instead. Yes, we will forward to our needs. I understand your feeling, and I take responsibility for this issue.
We really appreciate you want to handle this situation properly.
Alright, I want to the best solution. Of course, we can replace your order or we can refund your money.
We think we prefer refund.
Yes, refund is better for us. Right. You can give your card, then we can transfer your money.
Thank you for solving this problem.
I'm very sorry for this issue. Mukri, come here.
yes, Adam. Why?
Please apologize to the customer for your mistake.
Okay, Adam. For this guy, I'm really sorry for the mistake I made. I should have checked the order more carefully.
It's okay, Mukri. Just to make sure to be carefully next time.
Yes, mistake can happen, but it's important to learn from them.
I understand. I will improve my service in the future.
Thank you for your patience and understanding.
Thank you for you because you're handling this situation well.
Yes, we appreciate you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you. just got a message saying I have a parcel arriving today.
Really? Did you order anything online recently?
That's the problem. I don't remember ordering anything at all.
That's strange. Maybe you forgot.
No, I'm sure. I always check my orders.
Let me see the message.
Yeah, it says cash on delivery 89 ringgit.
This looks real, but something feel off.
Yeah, even the tracking number looks legit.
These days, scammers are getting smarter.
Do you think this is a scam?
It could be. I've heard about people receiving random parcel are being forced to pay.
That's scary. I don't want to lose money.
Don't worry, we will check careful before doing anything.
The rider said he will arrive soon.
Good. When he come, expression left.
Yeah, I won't pay directly.
That's the right move.
A few moments later.
Hello. I have a parcel for Amir.
Yes, I'm Amir.
Okay, this is a cash on delivery parcel. The total is 89 ringgit.
Can you tell me what is inside?
I'm sorry sir, I only handle delivery.
Can we check the sender?
Let me see. The sender name is unclear.
Unclear?
Yes.
That's suspicious.
Yes. Usually it should be a company.
Sometimes small seller don't write clearly.
Still, I didn't order anything.
So maybe someone sent to you as a gift.
It's a gift. Why is the payment?
That I'm not sure.
Can we open the parcel first?
Sorry, company police cannot open before payment.
It don't make sense.
I understand, but I just follow instruction.
We need more description.
Alright, I will call my manager. Call my manager now. Assalamualaikum. Hello sir. I have a issue with a customer.
Meanwhile.
Hello. Waalaikumsalam. Oh, what a kind of issue?
The customer received a COD parcel but says he didn't order it.
Did you check the detail?
Yes, the name and address correct.
What about sender?
The sender information is unclear.
That could be suspicious.
Customer didn't want to pay.
Did they open the parcel?
No, they refused.
Good, they made the good choice.
Asking to speak to you.
Alright, I will come here.
Bro, I'm getting more nervous.
Relax, you're doing the right thing.
What if it's something important?
It was important, you want to know about it.
That's true.
Scammer depend on people being confused and scared.
Yeah, they want us to panic and pay quickly.
Actually, that's why we must stay calm.
I'm glad you're here.
No problem, we handle this together. Okay?
Okay, bye.
Hello, I am Lukman, the manager. I heard there is a problem.
Yes, I received the parcel, but I didn't order anything.
And then, I don't want him to pay 89 ringgit.
Oh, I understand your concern.
We think it might be a scam.
You are the right to be careful.
So what should we do?
If you are sure you did not order it, you should reject the parcel.
So I don't need to pay anything, right?
Yes, you don't have to pay the parcel.
That's a relief.
What will happen to the parcel?
We will return and send it to the company.
Will I get into trouble?
No, not at all.
So this is common scam?
Yes, it happens sometimes.
That's really worrying.
That's why awareness is more important. Okay, let me explain something important.
Okay, Roman.
Scam parcel usually use COD to trick people.
So that depends on people paying without thinking.
Yes, exactly.
What are the signs of a scam parcel?
First, you don't remember ordering anything. Second, unclear sender name. Third, no proper detail about the item.
That makes this situation.
Yes, that's why I rejecting it the safest choice.
This is very helpful information.
Yeah, I learned something today. Here.
So, we will cancel this delivery and return this parcel.
Thank you for your help.
Yes, really appreciate it.
I apologize for any inconveniences caused.
I'm sorry for the confusion. It's okay. You were just doing your job.
Yes, no problem.
Thank you for understand.
Next time, always double check before accepting parcel.
We will definitely remember that.
Yeah, better safe than sorry.
Alright, I have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, Haja, Roman.
I will go, okay?
Assalamualaikum. Hello sir. I have a customer.
Yes, I'm Ahmed.
Okay, this is a cash on delivery parcel. The total is 18.90.
Tomorrow we need to go to buy something.
Yes.